Crew members, they are there to serve you. They're not there for you to socialize with. They're not there for you to get to know. They are only there to serve you because you paid for a vacation and that is their job. And who else here thinks that that's just a bunch of crap? Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, I'm sure you can guess from the intro on this video that we're going to talk about crew members, treating crew members, and what we actually think about crew members versus the way some other people think and treat crew members. And this whole video today comes about from a comment that I saw, that I read online on Facebook, that just kind of made my blood boil a little bit, because I really believe this person has just got cruising so wrong that perhaps a land vacation somewhere else, or you know what, even better yet, because if you treat one person like this, you're going to treat everybody like this, you ought to just stay home. So take a look at this comment, that way we are on the same page and you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. It says, Mardi Gras cafe lines, really? Tell your fandom not to talk to the baristas who are there to make your coffee. Nothing more. Get your blank and move on. If you need someone to talk to, get a parrot. Does that kind of piss you off like it pisses me off? I cannot speak for everybody out there. Obviously, I definitely don't speak for this person. I can only speak for myself that part of cruising, a big part of cruising, a super enjoyable part of cruising is interaction with the crew. Whether I'm talking to a barista, my wait staff, my room steward, our bartender, or just any crew member I happen to come across, a little bit of conversation, get to know them a little bit, talk to them a little bit, learn about them a little bit. That is, to me, is a big part of the cruising experience. It's not just sitting in a chair underneath the sun, getting a little sunburn. For me at least, just as important as going to new cruise ports, seeing new cruise ships, trying new foods, is the interaction with the people that make this possible. And yes, for the crew, it is a job. They are there to do a job, but they're not your servants. They're not your slaves. They're human beings who deserve a little bit of common courtesy and a little bit of just basic human respect. And I know for most cruisers, they don't have problems with the crew. They don't have this kind of attitude towards the crew. You see it in comments all the time about an exceptional job the crew did, the crew members that they've met, crew members that they've spoken to, crew members that they remember, and when they go on that ship again, they look for those specific crew members just to talk to them again, to see them again. Lots of pictures of people with crew members. Like I said, crew members are such an important part of the cruising process. And if there are any crew members out there and you are watching this video, believe me, there are so many of us out here that love the interactions that we get with you guys on board the cruise ship. And cruising just wouldn't be cruising without y'all. Now, let's flip the coin. I want to look at this from the other side now. I have never been a crew member on board a ship, so this is just a little speculation on my part. I don't know this for a fact. A crew member, someone in this situation, would have to let me know how accurate I am. But I'm thinking of a young crew member that perhaps, this is their first time leaving their country, their first job outside of their home country, no matter what their home country may be. On a cruise ship, suddenly with people from all around the planet. People from different countries, and especially if you sail out of the United States, you have all different types of Americans on board the cruise ship. People that as a crew member, you have never had the opportunity to interact with before. So naturally, a crew member would be curious to talk to someone from a place they've never been, just as much as me as a passenger am interested in talking to a crew member from a place I've never been. Because like I said, there is more to cruising than just getting on a cruise ship. It is just as much a social gathering, a social experience, a cultural exchange, as much as it is anything else. And for those that are going on your cruise for the very first time, this is something to look forward to. Get to know your crew members, talk to your crew members, have interactions with the staff on board the ship. You'll learn a lot. It's important. You will meet new friends. You will learn new things. This is a super awesome part of the experience. And when people write comments like they wrote, like I read to you guys, I said that really pisses me off. Don't talk to them. Don't interact with them. They're just there to serve you. Get what you need and get out of my way because I want to get up to the front of the line and get what I want. So tired of the entitlement mentality. I'm so tired of the me. And I really wish that kind of stuff would stay off for cruise ships because that is not what cruising is about. Cruising is about getting out there, meeting new people, being social, seeing new things, trying new things, and definitely from meeting crew members from all around the world. It is part of a super awesome experience. And I know a lot of you out there feel the very same way. So in the comments below, let me know of some awesome cruise experiences that you have had while cruising. Do you think interaction with the crew is as important as I do? Or do you think like this comment and they're just there to serve you? Let me know. I'm really curious. All right, and that's going to be our video for today. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime a new video comes out. Hope everyone out there has a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.